Have you ever bought a lot of USB-C dongles for your laptop, but can't figure out how to store and carry them? ATEN USB-C docks covers every port you've ever wanted for your laptop. No matter your role, it's the one dongle to replace all other dongles. I'm a marketing executive, and when I'm in the office, I need something to keep me productive. I count on this product to unlock my productivity, and it provides the extra expansion that my peripherals need. Video, audio, data, and charging, all at once. It's ultra slim. Undock and go to a meeting. It's that easy. Perfect for an office worker like me. I am a lecturer, and I travel a lot for presentations. I need something portable that I can connect to a TV or projector. This compact mini dock easily fits in my bag. The two most common display ports are ideal for presentations. Undock for on the go, instantly. It's perfect for travelers like me. As a video editor, working with large video files is a pain. I need something to speed up my workflow. The Thunderbolt 3 is my choice. It can transfer a 4K movie in less than 30 seconds. Less time waiting, more time for me. Dual 4K displays make my graphic-intensive workflow easier. It's perfect for creative professionals like me. No matter your role, ATEN docking series provides expansion for peak laptop capability. In addition, we've other USB docking stations for your needs. Check our website for more information now.